Welcome to another quick and easy tech tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to enable read receipts on WhatsApp Web right from your computer. If you've ever wondered how to know when someone has read your messages using WhatsApp on your PC, this video will walk you through it step by step. So let's get those started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your browser. You can do this by heading to the official WhatsApp web page and linking your account by scanning the QR code from your phone. Once you're signed in, you'll see your chats appear on the screen, just like they do on your phone. Next, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll notice a small gear icon located at the bottom of the side menu. That's the settings button. Go ahead and click on it. A menu will pop up with several options that let you customize your WhatsApp web experience. From there, click on privacy. This is where you'll find all the options related to your online visibility, last seen, profile photo, and of course, read receipts. Now for the main step, scroll until you see the option that says read receipts. Simply toggle it on. Once it's enabled, you'll be able to see when your messages have been read, and others will also be able to see when you've read theirs. It works the same way as on mobile. Those little double ticks will turn blue when the message is opened. If you ever want to turn it off again for more privacy, just return to the same settings and toggle it back off. And that's it. You've just enabled read receipts on WhatsApp Web. It's a small feature, but it makes communicating on your PC feel just as connected as on your phone. Thanks for watching.